shows us what Dolly is doing in Port Aransas, Texas. You can send us pictures or video to weatherwarriors@weather.com, but be safe if you're going to be outside in South Texas. Another picture from Yvonne Bargaby from Port Aransas, Texas, and we appreciate that. The winds are really blowing the palms around, but they have a way of hanging in there. The roofs, though, are coming apart, as we understand from our team of reporters and meteorologists on the coast. Meanwhile, here in the Mid-Atlantic, look at those severe thunderstorm watches. That includes Boston, New Haven, all of Connecticut, Providence, New York City, all of Jersey, Philly, Wilmington, Dover, and then down toward Richmond and Norfolk. Severe thunderstorm watches are in effect till late evening, even back near the cold front in upstate New York and north central Pennsylvania. The threat for severe thunderstorms and very heavy rain expected from southern Virginia all the way up to New York State and Virginia. Flood watches are in effect there all the way up to Vermont. Meanwhile, here is Hurricane Dolly. Say hello to it here in South Texas. Flood warnings are in effect here. And I'll tell you, that's not the only thing that's going on. Dr. Greg Forbes joins us now. He's our severe weather expert. What kind of weather are we going to expect from this one as we check it on the bottom line?
Well, the eye wall, the center of the eye wall of Dolly now is right about on shore. That means it's making landfall right about on San Padre Island. And we've had reports now of a gust 76 miles per hour at Port Mansfield. So let's take a look here at our Graphics 12 radar. We can see here, this is our 3D radar. Very heavy rain on the southwest side. Not so much rain on the northeast side as the circulation right there. So it's making landfall there. It's off to the north of Brownsville. Now, what if you were one of the hurricane hunters, the Air Force or NOAA that fly through these? What would you see right now? So let me show you our three-dimensional radar. And you can see, I've made it here so that you can see the clouds. So you can almost see here, right in here, the wall of clouds going up. I'll tilt this around a little bit so that you can see through the sides. So you see here we have high clouds pushing up right in these areas. And then I'll zoom it down a little bit more and roam around just a little bit. So take a look right in there. There's that abrupt wall of clouds with a wide expanse of almost clear skies inside the wall there. So there's your view of the landfalling Hurricane Dolly and a three-dimensional view as if you were in there flying through like a hurricane hunter. Now let's go to our Sky Tracker radar and show you still big problems with Dolly on shore of several types. Look at this huge amount of rain falling in here, perhaps up to rates as much as 5 inches per hour, and it's not moving very fast. You hear us talk about thunderstorms training. Well, Dolly's moving north-northwest here for the moment and maybe going to slow down. It could rain for a long time here, so we could be seeing 10, 12, 16 inches of rain here, and this is a flash flood warning in effect for Cameron, part of Cameron County around the Port Isabel area. The guidance had been 3.5 inches per hour. If we get 5 inches per hour there, definitely in excess of what we could take, absorb into the ground, so we're getting flooding. We're also getting damaging winds and a tornado threat. The tornado watch outlined in red goes until 7 p.m. And isolated tornadoes a possibility. Biggest threat next hour or so is going to be in this outer band, not right in the eye wall, but this outer band in the areas around Kingsville, Chapman Ranch, Falfurrias area. Some of the storms coming onshore there toward the Chapman Ranch area. They may work their way toward Corpus Christi. That's the area that we're seeing a little bit of rotation at the moment. So could be a few more tornadoes. The tornadoes with the Dolly moving northwest will tend to be in the northwest quadrant in this case, north and northwest quadrant. That means anywhere from around Palacios, Port Lavaca, including north Corpus Christi, the Rockport area, over to south of San Antonio later on this evening. Laredo down to Brownsville has the threat of some isolated tornadoes. And I'd already mentioned flooding rain is likely to give even river flooding well into the weekend. We'll be back after this.